Hi, my name is Ankur Pare and I graduated from University of Massachusetts with master's degree in computer science with over 11 years of experience in creating various algorithmic trading robots. I have been researching several algorithmic trading strategies. My enthusiasm for financial markets combined with my primary skill as a computer science programmer fuels my desire to learn, to discuss, and to teach more about automated trading. So, welcome to the seminar of Algorithmic Trading Essentials. This is the appropriate course for you if you are an experienced trader or a newbie with no prior coding or trading experience. With the help of this course, you will gain a thorough understanding of algorithmic trading, including advanced concepts, practical applications, and fundamental concepts. You can greatly improve your employment prospects in banking, hedge fund, and proprietary trading organizations by mastering algorithmic trading techniques. By creating passive income, high chances for financial independence. This course offers a moderate introduction to coding and trading for beginners, as well as possibilities for deeper studies, analysis, skill building for experienced participants. It is designed to be inclusive of all learners, regardless of their experience level. Thank you.